Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel The Testing Instinct. In this video, I will be discussing about reading GraphQL query and variables from files using Karate. I am going straight to the demo. I have already opened Eclipse IDE. I have created a new feature file called read query and variables using files.feature in this Karate API test project. So I am copying the code from this file fake GraphQL mutation variables.feature. So if you check this code, here I am passing the query as well as the variables inside the feature file itself. So now we are going to pass the query and variables from files. To do that, I am removing this code. I am saving the file. I have created one folder under src test java, which is the class path. The folder name is GraphQL. Here I have created one file called create underscore post underscore mutation dot GraphQL. So here I have given the mutation directly, and also I have created one JSON file where I am passing the variables. The file name is create underscore post underscore mutation dot JSON. Here I am passing the variable values. So in the last video we were passing the mutation and variables directly in the feature file. Now in this video I am passing the GraphQL query as well as the variables from files. For doing that, I have created one folder called GraphQL in the class path, which is under the src test java folder. So I have created two files. One is create underscore post underscore mutation dot GraphQL, where I have passed the mutation, and there is one more file where I have passed the variable values. The file name is create underscore post underscore mutation dot JSON. So this is the content of that file. Now we have to refer these two files in this particular scenario. To do that, you have to use the read keyword and store it into a variable. So I am writing the code for doing that, and if after hitting the URL, we have to pass the query as well as the variables. Def query equal to read. Since the folder is under the class path, we have to mention class path here. After that, the folder name is GraphQL. Now we have to get the file name. So this is the file name. Now we have to refer the variables. I am changing this .graphql to JSON, saving the file. Now I am going to hit the request, run as Cucumber feature. I have already started my fake GraphQL server in my local. I have already started. The server is running on localhost 3000 port. The execution has started. You can see the scenario got passed and we have got the response printed. I will open the HTML report as well. So you can see the response. So now the code has become less since we are reading the data from files. Earlier we were passing the query as well as variables directly in the feature file. Now we are reading the query and variables from files. Now I am going to change the data here so that after execution the updated response is shown in the server. We can check that whether the updated data is coming in the HTML report. So I have changed everything to title 2, views into 2 and user ID into 2. I am saving the JSON file. Now I am going to hit this request again. The execution is complete. You can see the response. I will refresh the HTML report. So you can see the response got updated with the new variable values. So this is how you read values from files while hitting a GraphQL request from Karate. I hope this session was very useful for everyone. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing the channel. Please like, share and comment on the video. Thanks for watching and keep learning.